Appa, look! So many tomatoes today!
Yes, my dear, you are a big help.
Can we fill the basket?
Of course.
Look at this big eggplant! It's so shiny! Let's pick more! Okay, I'll put it in the basket. I'll get another one. So many for dinner. Yes, fresh from our farm.
Look at these beautiful fresh carrots and greens from my garden. I just harvested them. So vibrant and healthy.
See? So beautiful! The water is flowing so nicely. Look at all my beautiful vegetables. This tomato is perfect. Hee hee, the water tickles from our farm. Let me wash them all clean. This one is ready. Time for the next one. So sweet. Slice 2, slices 3. He's so fresh and yummy. I'm so happy cutting these vegetables.
Soft batter ready.
Pouring the batter now. Almost ready for steaming. Let's make idlis today. Now cover it and let it steam. The idlis are cooking so nicely. Let me check one. Almost ready. The idlis are ready. Let's see how they look. So soft and perfect. Let's take the idlis out. One in the bowl. Now for the next one. Almost done. Now one for the plate. All done. Look at these idlis. So soft and fluffy. This one is perfect. Hi, let's play with coconuts. Fresh coconut for my recipe. Now to grind it. Almost ready. Almost ready now. Perfect for our dinner. What I made today. This is my spicy red chutney. And this is my creamy white chutney. They are so delicious. Now, let's pour in some fresh water. And now, all the colorful vegetables. The aroma is wonderful. In go the lentils for extra flavor. Now, some water to let it simmer. It smells so wonderful already. And it's ready. Doesn't it look delicious? It smells so good. Let me give it a stir. The stew smells wonderful. Now for some spices to make it perfect. A little stir and it's ready to enjoy. Let's add the spices to the stew. It's smelling so good. Almost ready to eat. Now into the serving bowl. There, all ready. Now it's ready to serve.
These idlis are so soft and fluffy.
Thank you. Here, try with sambar.
Perfect. You always make it just right.
I'm glad you like it.
One more. Shall I pour some sambar for you?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Here. you go.
It smells wonderful.
Enjoy.
This is perfect. Look at these idlis, so soft and fluffy.